If you have an old non-smart 1080p TV or even a 4K TV but are reluctant to replace it, this product may be of interest to you. While products like Fire Stick or Android TV boxes from brands like Jio and Airtel exist, they come with certain limitations. In most cases, you cannot play files natively on these devices. You are also limited to what can be installed and how you use the device. Before I tell you more about this product, let me quickly unbox the package. Hello, my name is Pradeep and welcome to my channel. This is the Electronics India's X9 4K Ultra HD Android TV box. It apparently supports YouTube, Prime Video, Netflix, Hotstar, Play Store, Spotify, Plex, an app store of its own, and more. This is what comes bundled in the package: a TV box, a remote control, power adapter, HDMI cable, and a user manual. On the inside, first we have the X9 box itself. It is extremely slim and super lightweight. It has two USB ports and a SD card slot on the side. At the back, we have a DC power port, a HDMI port, a AV out, a LAN port, and a SPDIF port. At the bottom, we have the specs. This is a 2GB, 16GB variant. You also get slots in case you want to hang it on the wall. Let's keep this aside and see what else is in the box. Next up, we have the power adapter. Which slots in here. You also get a Bluetooth remote. At the top, we have the power button, followed by the voice search button, navigation keys below that. Next up, we have the home button, followed by the mouse key and a back button. Below that, we have the dedicated buttons for YouTube and Netflix, followed by the volume keys. At the back, we have the slot to put in the batteries, which by the way are not included in the box. You also get a HDMI cable and a user manual. So let me quickly connect this to the TV and get back to you. I have plugged in the power to the TV box and connected the HDMI cable. Let's go ahead and power it on and let it boot up. The first boot up will take a few seconds, so be patient. First thing to do would be to pair the Bluetooth remote, and to do that, you need to press and hold the back and the OK button for at least 3 seconds. You will see the red light blinking and you get to the home screen. Let's first get it connected to the Wi-Fi. This box supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Also, let's connect to the Google account, and the fastest way to do that is to press the voice control button that will take you to the sign in options. Put in your credentials and sign in. Now let's set up the display. To do that, go to Settings, Device Preferences. Scroll down to Display, HDMI output. Here you can set your display's resolution manually or leave it at auto. While I am here, let me check if there are any pending updates. Turns out it's up to date. Since I've already signed up, I can now access the Play Store and Google services like Voice Assistant. Let's open Play Store and search for VLC. While the box does come with its own media player, we all know the VLC is the real OG. You can use the Voice Assistant. You will have to grant the permission when you trigger it for the first time. Then it will play you a demo of what you can do with it. Let me skip that part. Let's open YouTube and play a 4K video. Please see, this is a 4K TV, but you can play 4K content on your 1080p screen with this box with no issues. Also, this box is not Google certified, which is mentioned on the company website, which means it does not support 4K HDR content playback from OTT apps like Netflix and also limit what apps you can directly download from Play Store. But if you already have a 4K TV, it's most likely an Android or Google TV and you would not require the Android TV box in the first place, right? Anyways, let's install the CPU app and check its specifications. Let's open Hotstar and check some content playback. Like I said, no issues. For any apps that you cannot find on Play Store directly, you can download them from Google and install them, or you can install up-to-down Store APK, which lets you install most Android apps or its older versions. I have two video files in here. One is a 4K HDR video and the other is a 1080p. This is the built-in media player. While OTT apps may not let you stream 4K HDR due to certification costs, this device can natively play 4K HDR files with no issues. Let's try a 1080p file now. This box also gets its own Play Store. While you do have OTT content apps, There are useful apps like TeamViewer and AnyDesk too. The most important of the lot according to me is this Explore app. This box comes pre-rooted, which means you can technically access any folder on this device. And why do you need that? Well, stick around to find out. Let me first install the app. This box also comes with Miracast, not to be confused with Chromecast. This only lets you mirror your phone screen or a compatible laptop screen. You cannot cast to this box. You can, however, link it to your YouTube app and play back from there. So let's first test Miracast. Open the Miracast app, make sure your other device is on the same network. On the laptop, search for wireless display and from the list select X9. On your TV, accept the invitation and done. To disconnect, just click here. You can do the same with your phone. Open Screencast and select what you want to mirror and select the device from the list. The main purpose of purchasing the box in this case was for PPT presentation. To do that, I need to install PowerPoint first. Play Store won't let you install the app. After experimenting with a few versions, I found this one to be compatible. Let's install and sign in. Once done, you can open the app, navigate to Open, select storage device the file is on. You will need to grant access to storage and then click on File Name. Navigate down and click on Present. Now use the navigation keys on the remote to move forward and backward. Please remember, left click takes you forward and right click takes you back. While this works, what if your presentation has different language fonts like this one? Notice all the text here is shown in English. You can convert your slides to image every time or embed fonts in the file, or you can simply copy all the fonts to your device. Now this is where the root access comes into play. Normally you would not be able to access the fonts folder, and copying to systems folder won't help either. You would need to copy the fonts into PowerPoint's fonts folder. To do that, open the Root Explorer app. You will need to give the super user access to write to root folder. So scroll down to Configuration, Root Access, select Super User plus Mount Writable. Go back. So first let me open the PowerPoint fonts folder on the right pane. I will put a screenshot of the path to help you out. Now on the left pane, open the folder containing the fonts. Notice the direction of the arrow. This means you are copying from the left pane to the right. Select the fonts that you need and then click on copy. Once done, restart the device. Now let me open the PPT again and see if the fonts load up. There you go. So who is this box for? For an average person, something like a Fire Stick is easy to use, but it does come with limitations. For example, you cannot, to my knowledge, play native video files, and you will always need to be connected to the internet for it to work. This box allows you to do more than just stream content. It has utility purpose too. To use at public presentation area, this is a much cheaper alternative to a laptop. It doesn't always need to be connected to the internet, and due to its compact size, you can carry it with you when traveling and watch movies in your hotel room on your TV. But mainly, if your present non-smart TV works and you don't want to invest in a brand new TV, and even if you do, if your old TV is in working condition, given the resale value of old TV is next to nothing, you can put it in a different room and you can use this device to make your obsolete 1080p TV smart. X9 Android TV box when purchased cost ₹1,999. The best part is, at the time of recording, this box came with a 10-day return, which none of the similar models or even the expensive ones offer. So in case your device doesn't work or doesn't meet your expectation, you can not only get a replacement, you can also get a full refund. However, do check the return policy before you order. So that was the X9 Android TV box. In case you're interested in this device, I will leave a purchase link in the description below. What do you think of this product? Do leave your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, if you like the content of this channel, do consider subscribing. Until next time, this is me, Pradeep, signing off. Take care and God bless. And I will see you soon in the next one.